Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Node-RED with Philips Hue webhook events step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Node-RED installed on your system. Open your web browser and navigate to the Node-RED interface. Log into your Node-RED editor. In the menu on the left, locate the node palette. Search for the HTTP input node. Drag the HTTP input node into the workspace. Double-click on the HTTP input node to configure it. Set the method to post in the configuration panel. Define a URL path, such as /Webhook. Click Done to save the settings. Next, search for the debug node in the node palette. Drag the debug node into the workspace. Connect the HTTP input node to the debug node. Double-click on the debug node to configure it. Set it to display the complete message object. Click Done to save the settings. Now it's time to configure the Philips Hue bridge. Open the Philips Hue developer portal in your web browser. Log into your Philips Hue account. Create a new application to obtain an API key. Follow the instructions to generate the API key. Once you have the API key, navigate to the Webhooks section. Set up a new webhook pointing to your Node-RED URL. The URL will be in the format http://your node-redip1880/Webhook. Insert your Node-RED URL in the webhook configuration. Make sure to test the connection to verify it is working correctly. Next, return to the Node-RED interface. Click on the Deploy button in the upper right corner to save your changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.